Runners, don't be a turkey. In this video, I'm going to be talking about 3 simple steps to get rid of those age-related aches and pains you may be experiencing. So are you a runner who takes your first step out of the morning, you put your foot on the ground and you're feeling that deep, achy pain, it feels stiff, it's painful, you're like hobbling to get to the bathroom to go brush your teeth? Or are you someone who's feeling pain in the back of your Achilles area, and when you go down the stairs to get that first cup of Joe in the morning, you're feeling that achy pain? You can also be feeling kneecap pain that hurts when you go up and down stairs, when you try to squat in the gym. So for those of you that don't know me, I'm Dr. Dwayne Scotty. I'm a physical therapist with Spark Physical Therapy located in Hamden, Connecticut, where we help runners stay on the pavement doing what they love without pain, rest, or multiple trips to the doctors. So let's get into these 3 simple steps that you need to implement that we've helped many of our runners just this past year be able to conquer these conditions that we're talking about. So the first step is you need to get down to the root cause of your problem. So what we do is we properly diagnose you, and to have the proper diagnosis, but then more importantly, get down to the root cause of why you got that to begin with. So for the kneecap pain example, we need to determine, is it hip weakness issues that caused your kneecap pain? Or maybe you have a ankle mobility issue or an issue down at the foot and ankle that needs to be addressed. Step number 2 is we're gonna fix your pain. So we're gonna make you feel better so you can start exercising, so you can start getting back on the road sooner rather than later. You will not be waiting 4 weeks to get back to running when you come to Spark Physical Therapy. We're gonna fix some of that pain and get you on a regimented plan that is in a progressive fashion and still get better and aid the healing process. Step 3, most important step, is we're gonna get your body stronger and more resilient, healthier, so you don't have this pain reoccurring from season to season. So this is probably the step that you may have missed if you are a runner who every single year gets heel pain, every single year feels tightness in your hamstring, every single year has knee pain. So this is the step that is often missed, I find, in a lot of runners, and what we need to do is get your body stronger, more resilient, so it can tolerate the demands of running, so you can keep going at your peak potential. And you can hit those 5K PRs, you can hit those half marathon goals, you can hit that goal of running your first marathon. So if any of this information resonated with you, I would love to discuss with you in person at the Run Turkey Run 5K road race right in Hamden, Thanksgiving morning. I will be there sponsoring a booth. I will be there in this outfit. So come over, say hi, let's chat, or head over to sparkyourtraining.com and look at our running injury clinic information. You can find out all the information there. I would love to be able to jump on a call with you and discuss your specific situation to see if it's a good fit for us to meet in person. I hope everyone has a fantastic Thanksgiving. Enjoy the time with your family and friends. I know I will personally be doing that after the race. And thanks again for watching this video. And if you like my costume, hit that like, hit the love button, just so more people can see this information and we can be able to help them as well. Happy running, everyone. Bye-bye.